Hello guys and welcome back into a brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Basically, the first thing would be is to open up your project, and either you can open a project or create a new project. Then choose your aspect ratio, and basically then you will be needing like to add your media, etc. And from here you will be needing like, for example, let's add uh, some kind of zooming effect here, and as you can see, so either you will need like to make the screen bigger or to make it smaller and whatever. And basically all you will need to do is to simply like go here, and in this video we will need just to go to the transform, and basically in the transform you will be needing like to transform the scale. And here I'm just going, for example, like position, and here is zoom. So let's just create a keyframe here, and let's want to zoom from here. So I'm just going to use a keyframe. So we click on like this, and basically from here we want it to be like that, or to the initial position, and basically that's it. So now if we continue, we will see that this clip will be here, and then it will start zooming, and then it will go back. And basically by using the keyframes you can zoom at any position you would like. So for example, let's go here, and basically we want in this second like to be like that, and then go back to hour again to zoom out too much. And here I'm just going to preview, and as you can see, zoom in, zoom out, and then it will go to the other clip, which is this one. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.